we got to know that we can keep the same DNA of electric kick scooters, but cater more of the categories of same mobility problems, whether it be people, whether it be cargo, whether it be for any use cases. Let us figure out a way in which we should not be that rigid to keeping only one product in our mindset, but ensure that whatever is required in that particular space while you are trying to solve that problem is the one that has been pivoted since then. So then we have lineup of different products so basically it's not about how to optimize or how to vary from first pitch to second pitch or pivot from one case to another idea. It is about how and why we should be able to figure out a way जहाँ पे हमको मालूम है कि only this is the product that is not required, but this is also required, right? Where you can monetize it, where you can leverage it, and that is how it should work, rather than not just being rigid to one kind of services that you are into. Because in our case, we are India's first and only, so we are a category creator for that. No one in India has used electric kick scooters the way that we imply on the users to use it, right? So it becomes difficult for us to initially penetrate, and there is a lot of time, energy and effort goes into educating the market that we want to tap in. That becomes the bottleneck of it. But when we go ahead with a basket of products, let the customer choose that okay क्या करना है आपको, आप बताओ हमारे पास ये भी है.
तो सर फिर स्केलेबिलिटी के लिए अगर अपन ट्राई करते हैं कि हमारा स्टार्टअप स्केल करे इन मच हायर स्पीड, तो यू बिलीव दैट द कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट हैंड एंड देन योर टीम, कि आपका टीम अभी क्या बना सकता है उस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, कितने लेवल तक उसमें चेंजेस किए जा सकते हैं, क्या ये दो मेन इश्यूज होते हैं जिससे आपके स्केलेबिलिटी का एक अनुमान लगा सकते हैं कि किस लेवल तक अभी मैं विद इन 2 to 3 months चेंज कर सकता हूँ ताकि मेरे जो सेल है वो सडन बूम आए या फिर उसमें चेंजेस हों.
So I think how we should, so there is a quantum that how we measure and how we predict it, right? That is done on basis of how largely you have done in the last 3 quarters in the remaining quarter of the year, right? You have made sure you have experimented various business models, you have experimented with various pricing, you have experimented with various kind of use cases. So you have, so I believe that I very usually follow one saying that fail as many times as much the day when the failure becomes a data, right? So you have to fail many times in order to get that failure converted into data for the one thing that you know that okay यहाँ से we have cracked the metrics. Either it can be operations, either it can be capital expenses, whether it is any XYZ vertical of a business. Once you get to know that okay these are the parameters that this did not work out and this worked out, you have to take a very keen note on which did not work out, right? So the decision that you make next will be more funneled, more strategized, more streamlined in order to get a. Obviously you cannot be that perfect because मैंने कल भी बात किया था, हम इंटरेक्शन कर रहे हैं कि परफेक्शन के पीछे भागना नहीं है. Forget about getting perfect, you will never achieve it. That should be the mindset, क्योंकि वो possible नहीं है. You just have to iterate and keep on making sure that your failure has to be monetized.